Hello everyone. Uh, Welcome to Market Analysis by Rahul. And I think today's day was very good for option buyers. Uh, uh, I think whatever we discussed yesterday, uh, whatever levels I mentioned in the video, I think the market reached those targets, and that was very good. Uh, as I had said, we were expecting a down move, and today was the day. Uh, and yes, I definitely traded and made good profit, not as much as I would expect because though there was a down move, there was some hours of range bound movement. So because of that, the profits do not reflect as much as they should. But all in all, I think it was a good day for option buyers. And let's get started. But before that, I have the disclaimer with me. So just give me a minute here. Yeah. So as I've been saying in all my videos, all the views expressed in the video are for learning purpose only, and in no way must be considered as a trade or investment recommendation. Uh, the purpose of the video is not to influence any buy or sell decision. Trading and investing in stock markets is risky. Even the mutual funds mention that it is subject to market risk and do not guarantee return. So, viewer discretion is appreciated. Uh, any trading or investing decision needs to be taken after consultation with their respective uh, financial advisors. And Rahul Ganpati Pai will not be responsible for anyone's profit or loss in whatsoever. Uh, so let's get started. What I'm sharing with you right now is the Bank Nifty screen, the spot chart. But let me just quickly tell you that we had uh, talked about the levels 47,844, and we saw that the first target which I had mentioned in yesterday's video, that was reached, and then there was some consolidation, then there was a breakdown again. And similarly in Nifty also, we saw the levels which were mentioned in yesterday's videos uh, where reached, and then Nifty saw a sharp rebound from the net to 21,555 levels, I think. Yeah, 21,555 levels. Right. So let us quick tomorrow is Bank Nifty expiry. So it's going to be interesting. Since there was a good move down today, I still feel there is one more move left, and tomorrow we may see some levels like uh, 44, 344 or 311. Sorry, 47, 311 levels we retested as well, right? So let's quickly check. Uh, let's quickly check how we can trade Bank Nifty tomorrow. Let me get to the 15-minute chart. All right. So here we see. So so this is these were the lines which were the levels for yesterday, and as soon as it broke the level 48,044, there was a downside, uh, and it finally went on to this level 47,677 is what the level we are looking for tomorrow. This is crucial again because if you see here, it has a consolidation and then it went up more. So it is being tested for the first time. If the market opens gap down or flat and then breaks this level, then we have the next level at around 47,422. Yeah, 47,422 levels, and after 47,422, I think it might go on to touch this 47,311 levels as well. So all in all, I think there's one more down move left. I don't feel buyers will enter the market right away. Seller dominance is currently seen, and if the market opens gap down, I think it will trap more buyers, leading to more downside. So let me just take this. Yeah, okay. The 46,888 levels, I think that is too far. Uh, Maybe not in tomorrow's session, but I think 46,888 is very far. Uh, and we'll need to check on daily time frame whether that level is possible early. But no, I think this is the one. 47,311 is where I would see some consolidation, and then uh, some consolidation, and then a bounce back, or maybe a down move after that. But for now, I think 47,311 is the the level that we should be looking for tomorrow. On the 15-minute chart, as we see, uh, if it if the market opens flat or opens gap down and sustains below 47,677, then we have a down move till 47,422 and 47,311, right? If the what if the market opens gap up? Then in that case, this 4844 levels will act as resistance, and from here we can see some reversal. On the other hand, if it opens from 47,447, which is very less likely, but if that happens, I think uh, we may see a short covering rally, and it can go past 48 636, right? 48,636. Yeah, but I think that is less likely. It won't be a gap up, a huge gap up tomorrow. On the other side of Nifty, let's look at Nifty. Nifty also showed weakness. We had discussed this in yesterday's video as well, that these two levels will be tested. So 21,555, I think, was mentioned, and even 21,655 was mentioned. So once the 21,655 levels were crossed, we saw a good downside. And I did not trade Nifty today because I was more focused on Bank Nifty. Uh, More because Bank Nifty has 15 quantities, so that makes purchasing a bit easier for me rather than going with 50 quantities. So uh, with Bank Nifty, I can buy three lots rather than going ahead with one lot of Nifty. But that's a different story. I think if at a given particular time I feel Nifty is more uh, sure about a up move or a down move, then I think I'll be trading Nifty rather than Bank Nifty. But for now, for today, I went ahead with Bank Nifty. Uh, for Nifty again, we had discussed these levels. This was tested multiple times, 21,677, and as soon as it broke, we found support at 21,555 levels, and then after that we see a sharp uh, recovery as well. However, I somehow feel that all the people who have bought it here uh, are going to get trapped tomorrow, and we will see a downfall, which will take it to fill this gap, right? So the gap is 21 507 to 21,455. So I think 21,455 could be a target for tomorrow or day after tomorrow. That is still that is Nifty's expiry, right? But tomorrow being Bank Nifty expiry, I would expect these levels to be tested tomorrow, and further downfall if possible on Thursday, which is Nifty's expiry, right? So where we can trade Nifty is once it crosses 21,555, I think we are good to go with the downside downside trade or a sell side trade. Uh, when I say sell side trade, it is actually option buying for a PE, right? So 21,555 levels if crossed, uh, better to go for 21,550 PE as option buy. I am not an option seller. Option sellers are, uh, I mean, option sellers are very rich, you can say, and very few in numbers. So I'm an option buyer, and I would prefer going ahead and buying 21550 PE instead, right? So and that's how we can trade tomorrow on Nifty. Uh, and for Oppo, I think I'll hold on to any buy side trade for now, because uh, the price action and the market indicates that there is some weakness. If you see this, this kind of, this is more of a okay, just give me a minute. This is more of a, I mean, not exactly, but this is more of a uh, evening star pattern, right? After a up move, we have doji candles, doji indecision candles, followed by a bearish candle. So if the low of this breaks tomorrow, then we can see a downtrend, presumably till the levels 21,194 or 21,210 levels, right? So that's the level I would be looking for in the coming days. Nifty can go down to 21,981 before it bounces back, but again, that is too far fetched for now. I think any target between 21,555 and this one, this is 21,456, right? 456. So 665 to 456, I think roughly 150 200 points down or downside is still possible here. And on the Bank Nifty, once the price breaks below 47,677, I think initiating a downside trade would help with a trailing stop loss after it touches 47,422. Because 47,422, I think, would be my first target. I say that it will probably get broken because of the reasons I said yesterday. I said in yesterday's video, because this level has been tested multiple times. So 47,422 might break as well, and we may see a further downside. But I would be interested to uh, trail trail my stop loss after this level, uh, or rather book some profit and then continue with the remaining plots, right? So that's how we can trade Bank Nifty and Nifty tomorrow. Do let me know if my analysis is able to help you understand things, and if you're trading, whether it has helped you uh, mm, enter into profitable trades or exit from lost trades, uh, or whether they have helped you analyze the market in some way or the other, right? So like it, share it, and I will subscribe to my channel. And also, just before we wrap up, uh, there is weakness in Bank Nifty, there is weakness in Nifty. So tomorrow is Bank Nifty's expiry. I would be interested to trade Bank Nifty rather than Nifty, uh, but be careful, because it's being an expiry. The premium movement can uh, I mean, it will be very volatile market, uh, and you may see some drastic profits turning into losses and again back to profits in no time. So uh, uh, trade cautiously if you have to, and trade with the money which you can afford to lose, and always have a strict stop loss, right? Uh, Trading in stock markets is risky, and there is no shortcut for quick money. But I think in the long run, persistence uh, and discipline is going to help, right? So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.